Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders, 12 volt USB and USB-C, and a 120 volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that, you have your camera view. Again, you have your hazards, traction control shut off, and then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And then moving down, you have this cubby here with a USB and USB-C. Moving on, you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed out of the way for more space here. And you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you do have a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.